Hello YouTube, so today's video I'm going to be replacing the light bulb on this 2016 Chevy Traverse. So make sure you guys stay tuned and here we go.
Dirty Dudes!
Alright guys, so what you want to do is turn the wheel all the way to the driver's side so you can get some clearance, because you're going to be removing the inner fender, using some torque bits. I think you're going to be removing two so you get your access to your light bulb. I also wanted to remind you guys, if you are curious about my mask, I do wear it. At this case, I'm doing this alone and there's no one with me, around me. If you are curious on how to make your own mask, I do have a video somewhere around here. I'm going to put a link. So make sure you click on that link so you could make your own mask with a bandana and other options you could use that bandana for after all this finishes, hopefully real soon. So make sure you guys stay safe out there and let's keep this video going. Alright guys, so what I'm using is going to be the T15. Either you could use the socket with your ratchet, or you could use the screwdriver. Alright, so the two screws I'm telling you have to remove, they're going to be, one is going to be right here and the other one's going to be located in top. After that, you could fold back this plastic Alright, I went ahead and turned on the light so you could see a little bit better. That's going to be your turn signal light in case you guys need to change that light bulb. That's going to be it. So your headlight's going to be right here. What you want to do is just remove this little cap by just twisting it. So you just want to twist it towards the driver's side. You pull it out, and it's going to give you access to your light bulb. You're going to want to disconnect the light with. Alright guys, so the bulb that I'm using is going to be the H11. A little reminder, never grab the bulb with your bare hands, because you have like little oils on your fingertips and will actually shorten the life on your bulbs. So make sure you guys never grab this bulb with your bare hands. Either use some gloves, a rag, a t-shirt, anything but your bare hands. There's the old one. You should always compare them. You can always compare the insides of the bulb. I usually want to twist it towards the driver's side, and to put it back in, you want to twist it to the passenger side. And it does have its way to go in. It has the little grooves. It has one big and two small ones, so make sure you guys fit it correctly. Alright guys, so I already put in the bulb. I already connected the connections. I'm going to go ahead and test it before I actually put everything back together. Before I put the dust cover and tighten up the two screws. All right, so there you go. Now I'm gonna go ahead and tighten up the screws, finish up. And again, don't forget the dust cover and 2 screws. All right, guys, there you go. A quick little video on how to change that light bulb. DIY, always do it yourself, guys. Save some money. Like always, guys, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Also, hit me up on Instagram for that merch. Plenty of merch for you guys, always on stock, like always.